$5,000 worth of credit card with guaranteed approval? Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. If you are looking for a $5,000 credit card with no credit check and guaranteed approval, then you're not gonna wanna miss this very important and shocking video. Remember, in this step-by-step guide, we are going to show you the famous shopping cart trick to use in order to get this $5,000 credit card without any hiccup or hassle. Remember, if you are looking to get this credit card, then make sure you watch this video till the end without missing any part. And remember that we are going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $15,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button right now and click on the bell icon, and don't forget to smash the like button, as you will get the notification when we upload that video for you. So without any further ado, let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go! So the opportunity is here that you all have been waiting for, and this time is from Sportsman's Guide. You can get this up to $5,000 credit card just by using this shopping cart trick. Remember, we are going to show you the step-by-step guide, so make sure you watch this video, and if you haven't smashed the like button, do it right now, as it helps this video reach to the wider audience. So let's get into the details right away. First, let us tell you a little bit about Sportsman Guide. Who doesn't know them? Well, they do have a lot of stuff, from clothing to ammunitions to so many things such as military supplies, boots, clothing, fishing, boating, camping, outdoor recreation tools, home gifts, and much more. And if you get a credit card, remember, you can get this card anywhere you want, so don't worry about it. This is just not limited to the Sportsman Guide. So how you can do that? Well, let's start this trick and see how easy it is to get this $5,000 worth of credit card. So first, what you need to do, there are 4 simple steps that you need to follow, so make sure you stay with us. What is the first step? Well, the first step is to click right here on the 3 dots on your Chrome browser. Remember, you have to have a Chrome browser. Click right here and then open the new incognito mode. You click on it and this window will open. Let us just zoom in. This is the incognito mode. Then what do you need to do? Well, this is very important, so please make sure you watch this part till the end, and don't forget to miss a single point till the end of the video. Again, you need to go to this 3 dots right here, click on it, and then go to settings right there. When you click on setting, this window will open. Let me zoom in. So what do you need to do right here? You need to write here pop dash up, and then it will take you to right here, this site settings. You need to click on it. As soon as you click on it, you need to scroll all the way down and click right here on pop-up and redirects. When you click on it, you need to make sure size can send pop-ups and use redirects is enabled. If that's okay, then you're good to go. So what's next? So now we need to come back to the incognito mode and write right here Sportsman's Guide, right? So as soon as you do it, this Google page will open, and then you need to click right here on Sportsman Guide outdoor and hunting gear. You click on it and this page will open. Now what do you need to do? So those are the first, actually 2 steps. First, you need to open the incognito mode, and the second, you need to allow the pop-up. And when you do that, see, this is a pop-up. If you don't enable the pop-up, this will not show up. So you need to close it right here, and then now you need to start shopping. Don't worry, you are not going to do any shopping right here. You just need to show them that you are here on their website to do and buy some stuff. So we need to go right here on products, and let's go on clothing. Right, as soon as you click on clothing, there are a lot of clothing right here. So let's go on women's clothing and outwear, because they're usually very expensive, right? So first, you need to add anything such as this outdoor research women's Greenland fleece pullover hoodie. I'm just gonna click on it, and then I'm going to see the size, any random size like medium, and then well, they don't have anything in medium, so let's go on large. Let's click on black color and then add to cart. So this thing is add to cart, but remember what do we need to do, and this is very important, and this is the third step and a very important step. You need to make sure this subtotal should reach at least $250. As you heard it right, it should reach at least $250. So I'm gonna close it as this is not $250 right now. I'm gonna go back and see some more things. So let's see this Boulder Gear Women's Cosmic Puffy Jacket. I'm gonna click on it and then I'm gonna click an option, for example XL, paprika, just any random color, and add to cart. So when I do that, see it's 186. I'm still short of $250. So I'm just gonna close it. I'm gonna go right here on products, and I'm gonna go on, let's say, camping, right? So I click on camping and there's a lot of things. So let's click on sleeping bags and see what do we have right here. So I can see this one is $69.95, which will actually fulfill the needs, of course, that $250 that we need. So I'm just gonna click on it right here, select an option, olive color, and add to cart. As soon as I do that, see, now the subtotal is $256.69. I'm gonna click right here on view cart. As soon as I come right here, it's showing me that my checkout amount, let me just zoom in for you so you can see it properly, is $256.69. So what do I do now? Well, this is the fourth, last, and a very important step. So you need to click right here on checkout. As soon as you click on it, it will actually tell you to make an ID or check out as guest. Well, a lot of people will tell you to check out as guest is not okay, it's not recommended. Well, don't worry about it, just click on checkout as guest. As soon as you do that, all you need to do, you need to put your first name, your last name, your company name, your address, your state, your zip code, your phone number, and email address, and then click on next step. Remember, this is very important. People don't get that, but now you need to know this. When you fill out this form, make sure you fill out the information that you have on your credit profile, because if you have the same information on your credit profile, they will do a soft inquiry which will not affect your credit score. There is no credit check, they will just do a soft pull. And when you click on next, you know what happens? When you click on that, this page will open. It says, as a Buyer Club member, you're pre-approved for the new Sportsman Guide Buyers Club Adventure to Watch Visa card. Remember, it's a Visa card, you can use it anywhere you want. Get a $40 sign-up bonus, incredible sevens, get rewarded when you use your card, and it will also tell you after the offer that how much you are accepted for, and this is very important. So let us know in the comments below if it worked for you, and if it did, then how happy you are. Well, this is something for people who have poor, fair, good, excellent, or any type of credit. You can actually use this trick, and you can get this card with just a self-inquiry, and this is indeed a very important card for millions of Americans who need a card without affecting their credit score. So remember, we are going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $15,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button, click on the bell icon, and don't forget to smash the like button right now. We will see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and have a nice day.